What do you know about Upwork? It's not just a freelance marketplace. It's a place where people from all over the world come together. It's a place of great opportunities. And today, I'll show you that you can make money on this platform without having any skill.
Come on.
Yeah. Hi guys, I've been working on Upwork for a long time, and there are countless fields in which you can work. Clients from different countries around the world post job listings with descriptions of the work, and the listing also indicates the payment rate for the service. But what if you don't have any skills? One of the many methods that is guaranteed to make you money is voiceover work. Many clients on Upwork are looking for people who can voice their text to use in business videos, YouTube videos, and so on. We see that the client leaves their requirements that we should pay attention to. They also attach the text that needs to be voiced. The client wants about 30 seconds of video and is willing to pay $50 for it. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but I'm not confident in my voice and whether it will suit the client.
I'm not always as confident as I look.
Well, I'll tell you that you don't need to voice anything. Instead, a program can do it for you. Moreover, it will do it quickly, which will save you time. And you can set up the voiceover exactly as our client wants it. So, we copy the text that the client gave us and go to the Play HT website. This is a service that provides high-quality text to speech. Without wasting any time, let me show you how it works. Press Create Audio. Here I strongly recommend selecting Use Ultra-Realistic Voices for the best voice quality. I haven't purchased the paid version yet, so let's close this notification. We can insert our text and immediately generate its audio, but I want to change the default settings to my own. So click here and we'll go to the settings. Here we see a multitude of different voices that we can filter by gender, country, age, and choose a style of speaking to stand out with creativity. We can speed up or slow down the speech. Let's listen and choose the voice that suits us.
Welcome to my new channel. In this series, I'm going to teach you to start speaking any language like a pro in just 2 weeks.
Like many other philosophers who have greatly extended our knowledge of nature, Galileo had a remarkable aptitude for the invention of instruments designed for philosophy.
This book reveals where we can and cannot trust our intuitions.
I like this one. Make sure we have selected Replace All Instances and click Confirm. Press Generate All Preview. While the program processes our data, please subscribe to the channel and give a like to this video. I always try to provide you with the most useful content. Our voiceover is ready. Make sure to listen to what we have produced.
In today's fast-paced work environment, it can be tough to find time to connect with your colleagues.
I like it. You can hear how well the program has voiced our text. Now all that's left is to click Export. We write a cover letter to the client. Attaching the recorded text, submit a proposal. And wait.
Show me the money.
Of course, we could have written the cover letter first, waited for the client to open the contract, and only then started working. But by attaching a ready-made audio recording, you greatly increase the chances that among other freelancers, you will be hired. Remember, there's one client, but many performers, so we don't limit ourselves to one client and search for similar jobs and apply for them. The more cover letters we send, the more chances we have of getting a job. If this video was useful to you, please subscribe to the channel and write in the comments what else you would be interested in hearing about Upwork. See you soon.